In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create match and move animations in Canva, 5 minutes. First, log into Canva and open the design you'd like to animate. We're going to create smooth motion by letting Canva track the same element across 2 pages, so begin by arranging your initial layout on page 1. Decide which single element you want to animate, maybe a logo, a product image, or a headline, and set it exactly how you want it to look at the starting point. Everything else on the page can stay where it is. Next, duplicate that page to create page 2. Duplicating is important because it preserves the element's identity, which helps Canva recognize and match it between pages. On the duplicated page, select that same element and adjust it to the final look you want. You can move it to a new position, resize it, or rotate it to a different angle. Think of page 1 as the start and page 2 as the finish. Subtle changes tend to look polished, but dramatic moves can be great for emphasis. Now look at the timeline or page strip at the bottom of the editor. Hover your cursor right between page 1 and page 2 until you see the small plus icon for transitions. Click that plus, and in the transition panel, choose Match and Move. Canva will compare both pages and generate a motion path that carries your chosen element from its start on page 1 to its end on page 2, including any size or rotation changes you made. To fine-tune the feel, click the transition again and increase the duration for a slower, smoother animation, or shorten it for a quick, punchy effect. A slightly longer duration often feels more cinematic and easier on the eyes, especially for larger moves. Hit play to preview the result. You should see the element glide naturally from the starting location to the ending position while other elements remain steady. If the movement doesn't look right, make sure you didn't replace the element between pages. Canva needs it to be the exact same object. If multiple items need to move together, group them before duplicating, then reposition the group on page 2 so the transition follows the whole set. That's all you need to create a clean match and move animation. Set your start on page 1, your end on page 2, apply the transition, and adjust the timing until it matches your style. Use this technique for logo reveals, product callouts, or text emphasis, and repeat the same process for any other elements you want to bring to life.